Welcome back. Today we have some exciting news about the upcoming iPhone 16 series. Apple is reportedly expanding its periscope lens technology to more models in this year's lineup. If you're a photography enthusiast or just curious about the latest tech, this is the video for you. Let's dive into the details. First, let's recap what a periscope lens is and why it's a big deal. Periscope lenses allow for greater optical zoom without the bulky design typical of traditional telephoto lenses. This is achieved by using a series of mirrors or prisms to bend light, fitting a longer lens into a smaller space. Last year, Apple introduced the periscope lens in the iPhone 15 Pro Max under the name Tetraprism. This lens provides superior zoom capabilities and enhances image quality. What's unique about Apple's design is its seamless integration with the other camera lenses, maintaining the sleek look that Apple is known for. According to a new supplier report from Digitimes, Apple is planning to include periscope lenses in more models of the iPhone 16 lineup. Previously, this advanced technology was exclusive to the Pro Max model, but now it looks like the standard Pro model might also get this upgrade. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo had hinted at this possibility back in October 2023, and it seems his predictions are coming true. The report also mentions that Largan, the supplier of the periscope lenses for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, will continue to supply these lenses. Additionally, GSEO is expected to join as a new supplier for this year's iPhones. This could potentially mean an increase in production capacity and possibly even better pricing for these high-end components. So, what does this mean for you, the consumer? If you're planning to upgrade to the iPhone 16 series, you'll likely have more options to choose from with advanced zoom capabilities. The inclusion of the Tetraprism periscope lens in more models could also mean that Apple is pushing for more uniformity in their high-end camera systems, ensuring that more users can benefit from cutting-edge photography technology. One of the standard aspects of Apple's periscope lens is its aesthetic design. Unlike other periscope lenses that are visibly different, Apple's Tetraprism lens blends in seamlessly with the other lenses. This level of detail highlights Apple's commitment to both function and form, ensuring that the iPhone remains not only a powerful tool but also a stylish one. To wrap up, the expansion of periscope lens technology in the iPhone 16 series is an exciting development. Whether you're a professional photographer or someone who loves capturing memories in high quality, this upgrade is sure to enhance your experience. Stay tuned to your channel name for more updates on the latest tech news and product releases. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about the iPhone 16's potential new features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.